how to download and install Discord on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your browser and search for Discord, and this is where it will take you. Now simply select this option of download over here, and this is where it will take you. Over here you would be able to find this option of download for Mac. Simply select it and it will be downloaded quite easily. After that, just simply open up the downloader of Discord from the place where it has been downloaded on your device on your Mac. Most probably you will find the downloaded file on the downloads option, and just simply double tap it, then drag and drop the Discord to your applications, and this way you would be able to install it. After that, you can simply sign up or sign into your account, and this is how you would be able to use Discord on your Mac. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.